This video ends the series of videos on the bones of the upper limb by coming to the end of the upper limb, the hand. Here is an anterior view of the bones of the hand that include the wrist, palm, and fingers. Here is a quick review of the carpal bones that are covered in greater detail in another video. In the proximal row, going lateral to medial, there is the scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, and pisiform. In the distal row, there is the trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. The bones that support the palm come after the carpal bones as we move distally. The prefix meta means after or beyond, so the bones are called the metacarpals because they are after or beyond the carpals. There are 5 metacarpals distinguished from one another by Roman numerals, beginning with Roman numeral number 1 laterally on the thumb side and ending with Roman numeral number 5 on the pinky side. Here is a posterior view of the hand. Note that all the bones we talk about from here on are long bones. These long bones have the same basic design. That is, they have a shaft and 2 expanded ends. Concentrating on metacarpal Roman numeral 3, the proximal end of the bone is called the base, the shaft is called the body, and the distal end is called the head. This basic terminology applies to all the metacarpals and the phalanges. The phalanges are the long bones of the fingers, which are divided into the digits and the thumb. The thumb is called the pollex in Latin. Where does this term phalanges come from? Phalanges is plural for phalanx. A phalanx originally signified a military unit of Macedonian or Greek soldiers, or hoplites, as they were called, lined up with shields overlapping, brandishing spears. If you had multiple rows of phalanxes, you had phalanges, which would be the original pluralization of the word phalanx. The term was applied to the bones of the fingers because of the way the bones line up in formation. There are 3 phalanges in the 4 digits: the proximal phalanges, the middle or intermediate phalanges, and the distal phalanges. The thumb only has 2 long bones, the proximal phalanx and the distal phalanx. There is a link to a short quiz in the description below. Finally, here is Apollo on one of his days off, doing essentially what he does when he's working.